Research design is the set of research methods and techniques chosen by a researcher to conduct a study. Simply put, when we discuss a strategy to collect, study, and evaluate data, we talk about research design. This enables the researcher to identify problems, leading to the creation of a consistent and logical model for data analysis. Research design has a set of characteristics that allows the researcher to avoid errors and present the desired outcome, such as the following. Number 1. Neutrality. The results which are projected from the research should be free from bias, both internally and externally. Number 2. Reliability. The research plan should indicate how the questions are formed to endure the standards of results. Number 3. Validity. It is important that the correct measuring tools are used to gauge results according to the objective of the research. Number 4. Generalization. The outcome should apply to population and not just expected sample. But let us discuss why we need to prepare a design for research in the first place. The design provides a firm foundation. It reduces uncertainty and confusion about the research problem. Research design is helpful for collecting the research materials. It gives an idea regarding the type of resources required in terms of money, human resources, time, and efforts. It guides the research in the right direction and many other factors that prove beneficial to the direction and outcome of the research. A researcher must clearly understand the various types of research design to implement for a study. The design of the analysis can be classified into causal, descriptive, and exploratory designs. Causal research can be understood as a type of conclusive research that attempts to establish a cause and effect relationship between two or more variables. This type of research is widely employed by companies and corporations. It assists in determining the impact of the change in process and the existing methods, narrowing down the cause and effect relationship. For example, we can consider how much COVID-19 has impacted the global economy. Descriptive research can be described as a phenomena and its different characteristics to gain a deeper understanding of what it is without addressing why or how it happens. This type of research enables the researcher to get a proper understanding of a research problem before beginning to investigate it. An example could be tracking changes in the global economy in the post-COVID-19 situation. Exploratory research is a design that is used to investigate a research problem that is not clearly defined or understood, which enables the researcher with a deeper understanding of the problem and its context before research can be carried out. The implications of COVID-19 on the global economy can be considered as an example for the same. Here is an overview of a research design for your reference. To determine the cause and effect relationship between factors, there are two research methods within the causal research design. On the screen is a table that summarizes the similarities and differences between an experimental and a quasi-experimental study design. As you can see in the table, both experimental and quasi-experimental methods have similar objectives, which are to evaluate the effect of an intervention or a treatment. However, there are many differences in both these research methods when it comes to factors like the selection of participants, control group, room of confounding, level of evidence, their advantages, and limitations.